Hey, these little lantern guys, they're tomatillos. And coming in the garden here, how do I know when my tomatillos are ready? Let me help you out. I'll show you what to look for. So one of the best ways to know if your tomatillos are ready, you see how this tomatillo has now split away from the husk? This tomatillo is ready to pick. And the second way, when they fall down. But looking at this tomatillo, this one is ready. It's gonna be kind of sticky on the outside, so you're gonna want to wash your hands afterwards. But when you want, so to make these, the best thing to do is pull the husk off, and you're gonna boil the tomatillos in hot water for about 20 minutes. And then what I do is I will put them in the oven and I'll fry them as well. So the next question is, how do I know when my tomatillos are not ready? Super easy. So this tomatillo right here, it's growing inside of it. So just go up to the lantern and push your fingers. So on this one, it's pretty close. If I look at this guy right here, my hand goes in, so it's not ready. And also, just make sure, the best thing to do is just to look for it when it splits. Right there, tomatillo's ready. Pull it and enjoy it. Now let me know how you like to eat your tomatillos. I personally like to make a salsa verde with them. Super good. I just do the tomatillos, I do some onion, kind of the same way I would make a salsa, but I use tomatillos. This year I'm going to try to make tomatillos with, this year I'm also going to try to make salsa with some tomatillos. Tomatillos are a little bit of a sweet, I guess you would say more of a sweet tomato. They do have a little bit of a different texture taste too, so just blend them up, enjoy them.